Okay, so I hit play, I shoot a couple of times, and I hit R. Nothing's gonna happen because I haven't really bound anything. So let's go over to the project settings and look for action mappings, which you don't have yet. So I'm gonna create a new action mapping. I'm gonna call this reload, and of course, the key is gonna be R. If I can look for the R key, there it is. Okay, and for maybe if you want to add for your, I don't know, gamepad, you can, I don't know, maybe you can add the B key or something. I don't know. I'm not going to set that up right now. So again, going back to my player, so we have the input setup where we have the input binding. So this is going to be for your movement input, and this, okay, and if I can look for the weapon, there it is. So I'm going to add this here, and I'm going to be creating a box around this. I'm going to call this weapon input. C, I'm going to call this weapon input. Okay, and I think I'll give this, I don't need to give this a color. In fact, I'll just increase the width, and I'll add another comment here, and I'll just hit C. Okay, and I'll get rid of, okay, all right. So if I double click this, I'll just get rid of this. I hit C, and I'll say show bubble when zoomed, and the comment need not be anything at all. Okay, and I'll just, something wrong here. I think I'll just bring this from outside. C. Okay, and I'll just move this like that, and I'll get rid of this, and the color can be again red, right? And show bubble when zoomed, I don't need that. I just have to make this like that, and all right, something seriously wrong here. All right, it just crashed, I guess. I'll go back to my player and click on this and bring this guy down here like this, and just place him here, and maybe even make him even smaller and a little bigger. Okay, and out here I'll add the code for out here I'll add the code for reload. So I'll just say right click, and I'll say reload, and inside reload I'll be getting the input weapon, current weapon, I mean, get the current weapon, and when I press it, then I just want to say reload weapon and connect that to pressed, and that should take care of everything, hopefully. Save, and let's try this out. And right now it's 2500, and I hit reload. I also want to play a sound, so let me see if I can find that sound of reload. Or if I say start a content audio, I doubt it. I'll say fire, nope, steam, nope, these are all weird sounds. Anyways, going back to the player, I'll shoot some bullets first. I'll hit R, nothing's gonna happen. I'll shoot some 12 bullets when I hit R, and you can see that it's 25 and 75. Shoot some more, 25 and 50. Nothing's gonna happen because it's full clip, the magazine is full. I just shoot one bullet or two bullets, and I just hit R again, and it's 25. So now this is gonna be the last clip. I just shoot one bullet, and I just waste away my entire magazine. I hit R, the max ammo is 0 again. Now I only have 25 bullets in all. Okay, I can keep shooting, and now when I hit R, nothing. Okay, now we also have to prevent that, but we're not gonna bother about it right now. That's a fine tune that we'll worry about later on. But we can see that it works. Okay, I'll show it again. 25 and 100, 25 in your magazine and 100 as the max ammo, which means that you have 4 magazines. Okay, I'll just shoot 3 bullets, and I'll hit R. So now you wasted one full magazine and we have brought in another magazine. So now out of the 4 magazines, so in fact it's not really 4 magazines, it's actually 5 magazines. You come in loaded with 1 magazine and you have 4 extra magazines. So 25 multiplied by 4 would be 100. So you have 4 magazines that is stashed away, that you're carrying along 4 magazines, and you already are loaded with 1 magazine. So right now you are left with one full magazine that is representative of the ammo count, that is 25, and the max ammo, which is showing us 75, which means 3 magazines. So right now you have 4 full magazines. Again, I shoot 2 bullets and I hit R, so now we are left with 3 magazines. 2 bullets again and I hit R. Now you're left with now you're left with 2. I'm gonna shoot 1 or 2 bullets. Now I'm gonna hit R again. I'm left with 1 magazine now. Now I can, if I hit R, nothing is gonna happen. But if once I shoot and I hit R, that's gonna change that to 0, which will fix that. Maybe we can do that right now. So if I go over to the weapon base and if I say that its magazine is greater than, set magazine size and to the magazine size, and we also have to check if the max ammo is greater than magazine size. And let's see, I'm going to set a breakpoint here, add breakpoint, and let's see what happens. Okay, I'm going to come back here, play the game. Okay, R R R R so now it's broken, right? And so now if I F8, so it did break down. So which means that at this point you have to I'll remove the breakpoint. So we just have to check whatever ammo is in there, and if it is 0, then we're not gonna switch, we're not gonna throw away the magazine. We can't do that. So out here we can check, we can say branch again, and out here I'll just move all of these guys to the right, and this will be if the max ammo is greater than 0. Okay, so that's the condition. So which means that now it's not going to make any difference. I hope so. So I compile that and I play the game. Reload, 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 and now I just shoot some and I hit reload. It's not going to do anything, but it's still going to let you shoot, and it won't let you waste that last few bullets that you have in your last magazine. Okay, excellent. All right, so that's about that. If you want, you can also change this to magazines left or something like that, but I think I'm okay with max ammo, so I'm gonna shut this down now, and we are done with the reloading part. And of course a lot remains to be done, but for now we are good with it. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next